Drone with camera for adults 4K, 90 degrees field of vision, 5G transmission, atop foldable GPS drone with brushless motor, follow me, smart return home, 2 batteries, and a carrying bag for professionals. A good Christmas gift. Hi, welcome my friend. The 90 degrees adjustable lens enables you to see the world from different angles. The 5 GHz FPV transmission of the 4K drone provides a long enough range, 1968 feet. It is the perfect choice for professionals and outdoor travel enthusiasts. Never worry about losing your SkyQuad drone, even if the battery is low or the signal is lost. The drone comes with a sophisticated GPS positioning system that lets you track and record your trajectory. Maps will show you the distance and speed of your drone on your phone screen along with exact latitude and longitude location. Return to home with push of one button. The GPS drone will return to its exact takeoff location. When the Follow Me function is enabled, the SkyQuad drone will follow the GPS in your smartphone to follow you wherever you go. When you are riding a motorcycle, galloping on the road, or when you climb to the top of the mountains, the 4K drone can record such a moment. The drone with camera for adults provides up to 60 minutes flight time. Each battery is 30 minutes. The arm and propeller blades of the drone can be folded and carried. After use, it can be stored in the carry bag that comes with it, making it perfect travel companion. This drone is perfect for sympathy gifts, Christmas gifts, teen boys gift ideas, birthday gifts, you name it. To get the product, you can click on the link below the video. Do not forget to like the video, subscribe to the channel, and activate the notification button. Thank you.